Alright, guys, PT writing has changed a lot, and if you do not follow the right way, the right strategy, and if you do not know what the system is actually looking for now, there are very high chances you lose a lot of points. Since the changes in the PT test from 7th of August 2025, I have seen a lot of students are struggling in the writing module, and there are three primary reasons why they're not getting the scores. I took the test after the changes, I got 90 in writing, and I am going to exactly tell you what you need to do when you go for the test, and 90 will be super easy for you. It's not difficult. We have got a lot of students who have got a superior score in writing after the changes. They just followed these three tips, and if you do so, you will be fine. If you watch this video till the very end, I promise that your writing section will be sorted. Let's get into the video. First of all, let's understand that there are only four question types which will award you points in writing. Writing summarized written text, writing essay, listening summarized spoken text, and listening write from dictation. We are going to focus on three question types where you'll have to write your own ideas or content from your side. Write from dictation, there's a fixed sentence which you have to type. But summarize written text, writing essay, and summarize spoken text are three question types where you'll need to write content by yourself. First thing is summarize spoken text. I see a lot of students are still using the template, and I always say it's completely fine to use the template, but you need to modify the way you use the template. It's not just the template which will get you the scores. You have to make sure you add relevant content as well. In summarize spoken text, I need you to write around 65 words, and majority of your answer should be content from the lecture. If out of 65 words, 40 words are template and only 20-25 words are relevant to the lecture or the audio, you're not going to get the scores. Second, you have to make sure you do not use single word keywords. Don't just write. Furthermore, he mentioned keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3. No. You have to make sure you include long keywords or short phrases so that you actually write a meaningful summary and your answer or your response is actually relevant and related to the topic you have been presented. You can start this way. Dash was the main topic of the lecture or the audio was about this. Firstly, he mentioned one idea, or you can write a short phrase or two short phrases. Furthermore, he discussed, or it was discussed, or it was elaborated. Moreover, and then to conclude, write 4 to 5 sentences with meaningful ideas, keywords, or short phrases, and you'll be fine. Make sure there are no grammar and spelling mistakes. Do not write single word keywords. Do not write irrelevant content, and do not just write random words which are not even making any sense. Next is writing essay. Writing essay is important, extremely important, and there have been changes here as well. Earlier, we used to give you a template, go write the template, add few keywords from the essay topic, you'll be fine. But that is not the case anymore. If you actually want to get points in writing, you don't have to write. See, if I've got 19 writing, right? It's not that I am someone who writes excellent, right? I make grammar mistakes, I make spelling mistakes, I might be not 100% relevant, but you do not have to just rely on a template. Even if you're writing an average response with no grammar and spelling mistakes and you're addressing the topic, you will definitely get the scores. I've seen students who make a lot of grammar and spelling mistakes, still they get the scores. Why? They use the template, but they do not just use the template, they add a lot of relevant content as well. So in writing essay, what you have to do, out of the 20 minutes, first 1 minute you read the essay topic and make sure that you write down a few key ideas or think about, brainstorm that what you have to write. Then especially in the introduction, write relevant content or journal sentences about the topic, because if a human is checking and if the introduction is kind of vague, not meaningful, or it's not making sense, or is not related or relevant to the essay topic you have been given, you are going to straight away get a zero. You have to make sure the introduction part especially is having information or content which is addressing the topic. In body paragraph 1 and 2 you have to write relevant ideas, but you can use some structure or sentences whichever we have provided you. You can use that as well, or if you have got any other template you can do that as well. But the whole idea is whatever template or structure you're using should be 30%, 70% should be relevant content. It's not that 70% is template and few ideas are there, you'll get the scores. No, you're going to lose a lot of points. So if you actually want to get your scores in writing essay, you have to make sure that you address the topic properly, write relevant ideas, even if you're not writing excellent sentences, if you're not writing complex sentences, even if you're writing simple sentences, but there are no grammar and spelling mistakes, you will be 100% fine. If your typing speed is good, go around 270 words, otherwise 230 words are fine, but there should not be any grammar and spelling mistakes. Make sure out of the 20 minutes, last 2 minutes at least to proofread, please. This is what you have to do in writing essay and you'll be fine. This is what I did as well. Last thing which I want you to take care of. I told you 3 things which you should be focusing on. First was summarize spoken text, next essay, now third, summarize written text. What I've noticed, this task is giving a lot of points in reading as well. And you can still use the shortcut or the technique or the strategy which we have provided you, that you have to connect 2, 3, or 4 sentences exactly same from the passage in your answer. So what you do is you read the passage, figure out 3 to 4 sentences with important keywords, meaningful words, proper nouns, topic words, words which are repeated again and again. Figure out 3 to 4 sentences with important keywords. Write the first sentence, put comma and second sentence, whichever sentence is important, comma, furthermore, comma, third sentence. If the word limit, 75 words, allows you, add another sentence with comma, moreover, comma, fourth sentence. But one thing which you'll need to change over here, you will need to replace 3 to 4 words. For example, there's a word captain. You can replace that with leader. So you have to replace 3 to 4 words with similar words. That is definitely going to help you boost your reading scores. If you just copy and paste the same sentences from the passage, the chances you will get points in writing but not in reading. So in order to get full points in summarized written text as well, please try to change 2, 3, or 4 words from the passage with similar words, so that along with your writing scores, your reading scores go up as well. These are the 3 things I would want you to take care of, and if you follow this properly, 100% you are going to get your desired scores. Students who have got their desired scores, especially in the writing module, after the changes, even 90 in writing, followed the same thing. Summarize spoken text, less template, more content. Essay writing, template with relevant content which is actually addressing the topic. While you practice, you have to make sure you do the same as well. Whenever you're writing the essay, it should make sense. We have updated this on our website as well. Make sure you practice as many as essays on the website, and whatever scores you're getting here, there are very high chances you will get the same in the test. Plus, there is a template detector on our website. If you just type a template, you're going to get 0 in whole of your essay, and the same thing happens in the test as well. Last but not the least, summarize written text. Change or replace 3 to 4 words, if not 3 to 4, at least 2 to 3, and you will get points, full points in reading along with your writing. That's it from this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, do like, share, and subscribe. I'll request you to please follow these and also take an extensive writing mock test which is available on languageacademy.com.au. You will get one free extensive writing mock test which will give you a clear idea of how much scores you're getting, why you have lost the points, what you need to work on, and what are the things you need to actually avoid in the test if you want to get your desired scores. If you need any help with your online or on-campus classes, we have got our campuses in India, in Australia, in Nepal as well. We do provide online classes all over the world. We have got 13 different sessions running every day according to different time zones. Just send us a message, give us a call. Our team will be with you, and we will make sure we give 100% to help you out, like we have helped more than 50,000 students till date. That's it. Now go on languageacademy.com.au and practice, or you can download the LAPT exam practice app as well. And if you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe. That helps the channel grow, and that helps the video to reach the right audience. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.